In Florida.
In Florida.
You see that? What this under me nose?
Yo.
Sidem. This is the dose at the Kim.
Yeah.
Woo. Sweating.
Yeah.
Sky high. What this under my shoes? The clouds. You're red bone.
Yeah, my wonderful viewers and subscribers, bless upon yourself. You know, man, I hope you continue to stay blessed and keep safe. You see, pray. Well, as you can see, my people, we here with another update with the boss himself. You see me? So we have Vybz Kartel in the kitchen with his mother. You see me? And you don't know him, baby. See them, you see, pray. And we also have the general outside in the Kim again. You don't know that day 2. You don't know yesterday was day 1. You don't know today a day few. Maybe tomorrow no see day 3. You see, pray. I will also have a general outside a cruise on the city once again with him baby sidem. You see me I say? So I will just jump going on the video door. Oh, I'm out.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to life.
Kitchen fully active.
Kitchen fully active.
Yeah, man. Who that? Mrs. Palmer?
Yeah, man. Say man.
Doing the man banana.
Oh.
Oh, I will see them and cook for the whole of them.
Man, let's get that one.
Alright, you know,
Activity.
it's almost lunchtime.
I tell you, in Florida.
In Florida.
You see that? What this under me nose?
Yo.
Sidem. I'm out.
Activity, I want to know long the boss no eat some mother cooking. At least me don't know still. We don't know what go on behind closed door. But from my eyes, me always I see. You don't know Vybz Kartel always in a hotel. I collect hotel food and them little thing there. You see me? All the ones scatter him turn big rhyme all of a sudden, eh? I saw it going there around the boss, man. You see me? Yeah, I go catch on to the thing. You see? Pray. So now we're there with the general back in the gym, otherwise known as the Kim. You see, pray. Yeah, man, you can call it day 2, as what the general say, or day few. You see, pray. So I could just jump over there and see what I go on, man.
Scatter. Working. That is the greatest.
What is it?
Understood.
Doing it. Be a dose. And the light is around us. People, this is the dose at the Kim.
Yeah.
Woo. Sweating.
Yes.
But never,
Stress it.
never stress it.
Alright.
Alright? That is the greatest, don't forget it.
Yeah.
That is it.
And the Lord is around us. Blessings surround us.
Now we're there with the general once again a cruise around the city of Miami, you see me? With him baby sidem. You see me I say?
But the sound dominoes.
I'm out.
Now as you can see on the screen, my people, we have the boss I keep him second Freedom Street right in Europe. You see me I say? And the general call it Vybz Kartel and Friends, they hear that. So we have two headline shows, two different set lists, you see me? So 11th of September to right to the 14th, you see it? Right in Malta, you hear that? So we have 4 days and 4 nights worth of performance to look out for, you see me? And you don't know the thing go as usual, you know, the boss now go laugh with it, you know, the place I go shell, you know. They said the thing I go slap, you see me? Yeah man, so make sure you look out for it, my people, you see, pray.
The Gaza Nation are the fans. Family reunion time will link up back. The sound dominoes.